Hey guys, so today I am here with Revilius Photography and Design. My name is Lilian Santibanez, and I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you about the products that I have for you and your business. So to start off with, I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you about the posters. For this poster, the first poster that I have, I found a picture in Google which was perfect because it was the perfect borderline for what I wanted to do. Then I did go ahead and place in a rectangular box along the sides in order to give it a more balanced look. And a color pop, I went ahead and placed in the same color as the Angelitas Casa de Cafe logo. Then I did go ahead and find the coffee picture also in Google. So I did come up with where the coffee lives quote, of course. And then over here, I do have the welcome home, since, of course, where the coffee lives is if you're living at home. So welcome home, guys. And then I also did want to do a second one for you, just so that you could have a little bit more options. This one is a little bit more creative. I just wanted to focus on the texture a little bit more. So I did use the Make Coffee Great Again quote. This one, of course, as we know, would go along with what our president says, which is make America great again. So, of course, we at Angelitas want to make coffee the best experience. I also did go ahead and use a text and the logo as in an orange font, just because, of course, you always want to go ahead and use something a little bit more gradient just so that it could balance off. Then for my next project or product, what I did was the t-shirts. Let me go ahead and or no, it was actually the billboard. So for this billboard, what I have is a spread out picture of some coffee beans. I thought that this would just be perfect as a background, since, of course, that way you are able to look at, of course, the product, which is Arts Coffee. Then I did also want to include a quote in the side, so I used the "Be happy, drink coffee" quote, which is, of course, something that I know that Angelitas would like. Also, it is really good for marketing because you are actually able to feel happy when you are in a coffee shop, and of course that is something that a lot of us as coffee lovers look for. I also did go ahead and use the Angelitas logo in the left area, just so that whenever you're driving you can also go ahead and be focused on the information. And I did use the Bill MT font along with bubbling and embossing the texture. And now for my next project, I did go ahead and use some shirts. I did go ahead and do two shirts for you guys. For the first one, I have the Angelitas logo placed in the center, along with Welcome in an Arc and Earthlings in the bottom. For this one, I just wanted to do something a little bit more creative. So I did go ahead and, use the Earthlings because I thought that that would actually look amazing. I also did want to go ahead and use a gradient, so I went along with placing in the orange text in the top along with the blue text in the bottom, so that way it could look a little bit more informative while it actually catches your eye. In the side pocket, I did go ahead and place in the logo, just so that, of course, you could go ahead and see where this shirt is coming from. And I think that that's something that I would actually wear. I would personally really wear that. For the second shirt, This just has a more simple texture. This is something that I would believe that, I would be selling to my clients or customers, as well as using it for the personnel so that they could go ahead and wear it as a uniform, just because it is a little bit more in hand, and it does have the welcome home tagline, of course. Then I did go ahead and get the business card. With this business card, I went ahead and placed in a brown border just so that it could tighten it all together. I did go ahead and also place in the picture of some different beans, because of course it is a coffee shop and we all want to know what this product is going to be about, and that is coffee. Then in the top, in the middle, I did go ahead and use the logo just so that in the bottom I could go ahead and lay down the information, which of course would be Mr. Martin and Angelita. And then for the final product, or actually second to last final product, I did go ahead and use the same picture for my letterhead, the same picture as the billboard, just because I thought that that would actually give it a more creative, more cohesive way of look. It would actually have a very cool style to it. So I also did go ahead and place in the logo in the middle on top, because I thought that that would be a very appropriate and very cool signature look. And in the bottom, I did go ahead and of course place in the information spread out, and it does give it enough texture just so that you could go ahead and write in whatever information you need, and people are still thinking that this is a very cool and creative look. And for my final and last product, this is something that I really wanted to do for you guys, and it is something that I actually really like. This is the website. So for this, I did go ahead and place in the Angelita's name on top, along with the tagline, and a footer in the bottom with the logo, just so that you could go ahead and scroll down, and of course it would look kind of like a bookmark, since that's something that I thought personally would actually look really cool, of course being a coffee shop website. Then I did go ahead and include the different services and different events that we have, which of course some of art, of course your props, and poetry night, which is something that of course we all love to have on Wednesdays. And for your menu, I did want to go ahead and do something cohesive, so I went along with the same picture that the business card has. And for the welcome home, I just wanted to go ahead and give it a bit more of a different picture, just so that you could go ahead and see the top of the building, and you could also go ahead and get more of a homey way, or a homey style. So yeah, this is my project, and I thank you guys so much for listening and taking your time to actually being able to see the entire product. Have a great day.